Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, happy Mother's Day. Today is a special video. I have made this look which took like for 5 minutes. You can make this look in 5 minutes, and it's specially for all the mothers out there who try hard every day and lose all their glow and that sparkle on their face. So it's for you guys, and it's also for working women, those who have a child and they also go to their office. They manage both stuff at the time. They're superwoman. So happy Mother's Day to each and every one of them. So this look is specially for you. You can change some stuff if you want to. So if you're interested in knowing how I cut this tan face, keep on watching. Hello guys, I have switched to voiceover, so to cut short the video, here I am taking two foundation. One is the Fit Me and one is the Wet n Wild one. Fit Me is a lighter shade for me and the Wet n Wild one is a darker shade for me. So here I am mixing both the foundation first to get a better coverage because both are like light coverage. Both the foundations are of light coverage, so I am mixing it both in my hands. And now I'm putting it all over my face on one side just to check whether it's a very good match to my skin or not. I'm taking this Pack Beauty sponge. It's the small one. Yeah, it's a perfect shade for me and I love it. You can also use the baby cream instead. You don't want to use a foundation on a daily basis. I'm just blending, and blending is the key, guys. Here is the LA Pro Girls Conceal. I love this concealer. I'm just putting it under my eyes and in my forehead and the usual locations. This concealer dries up pretty fast, so make sure you blend it properly and fast. I already told you it's my favorite concealer. This is the L'Oreal Matte Magic Face Powder and this is the Lakme one. I'm using the Lakme one today. I'm just setting my face where I've put concealer using Lakme face powder. If you have dry skin, avoid this. This is a fashion brow. I'm just giving a shape to my eyebrows. Here is the NYX blush which I am using. This is very pigmented, guys, so you have to be very careful. You can see how carefully I am putting that on my face. I am just worried that I don't become a clown. I am taking this contour palette and I am changing the shape of my brush which I use for blush, and I'm just contouring my face. This is optional, guys. It totally depends on you if you want to do it or not on a daily basis. Don't forget, if you're contouring, to just slightly brush through your neckline. I'm taking the same contour and putting that on my eyelids just to give a hint of brown on my eyelids. I'm also putting that blush I took on my eyes. Yeah, to give a pink hint to my eyes. Just it will match with my blush. I'm putting this highlighter from the same palette just to give a sparkle to my face. It was looking pretty damn matte. I'm taking this kajal from Sugar. Kajal is the favorite thing of every mom's, right? Everyone loves to put kajal because I don't put kajal in a daily basis. This is the K Beauty lipstick. Make sure, guys, you be careful with this lipstick because it's very drying. Put a lip balm and then you can use it. It is smudge proof and kiss proof. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you like this look, and if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, click the bell notification, and so you get updated when I upload a new video. You can also follow me on Instagram. All the links will be down in the description box. So love you guys. Bye bye.